What's up guys, K-Smash here, bringing you another video. I'm glad to announce that this is the first episode of our Season 1 Airline Empires series. In case you didn't know, this is a voiceover. So yeah. So I started this airline in Sandbox. It is called Emirates. We're basically just going to be like copying Emirates in the real world. For the aircraft we chose to have 737s. We also have 777-300 ERs as well as some A380s. We currently offer some routes to Europe, Asia, other places. For now, I think I'm going to start in the Asian and European market. Then I'm going to open up to Africa and the United States and Canada and South Africa. And finally, we'll open to Australia. As you see right here, we are opening up a new route to Prague. This route basically, we added a spare 777. We're getting slots. So yeah. Alright, so right here we decided to have a look at what aircraft was available. I noticed that there was heaps of A380s available and also 777s, as well as 737s. This is quite good. Well folks, that's the end of this episode, the first episode of our Airline Empires series. If you enjoy this, remember to leave a like. If you want to comment. If you want to dislike, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.